In this video, I'm going to be uncovering my $900 per day affiliate marketing strategy so that you guys can literally just copy it. So now, let me go over step 1 to actually making $900 a day. The first step is actually looking for an affiliate product that solves a problem to promote. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the NutriProfits affiliate marketplace. And if you know me on this channel, you know I love NutriProfits so much because there are a lot of affiliate offers that actually solve people's problems on there. NutriProfits actually accepts affiliates from all over the world. So, if you've never gotten accepted into any affiliate program before, there's a 100% chance that you can get accepted into NutriProfits. I'll also leave the link below to sign up to NutriProfits. Now, once you've signed into the NutriProfits affiliate network, we basically want to come over here to this offer section right here. And like I said earlier, if you remember, I said we're going to be looking for an affiliate product or an affiliate offer to promote. And the key thing right here is that this offer or this product must solve a problem for a particular group of people. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom right here, you can see that all these offers or all these affiliate products that you can see on NutriProfits actually solve problems. So, you can see this product right here called Ivita Plus. This product is actually an eye health product that can help people to see better. And if you keep on looking to the right here, you can see that this product is actually going to pay you $39.99 for every single sale that you get, which is about 40% in commissions. Now, if you keep on scrolling down, you can also see that there are many more affiliate offers and affiliate products that solve problems right here. And these types of products typically are very easy to promote because if you put these products in front of the people that are actually having these problems, you can get them to actually buy because this product directly solves their problem. So, that is why it is very key to look for affiliate offers and affiliate products that actually solve people's problems because they are 100 times easier to sell to people. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be looking for an affiliate offer that is weight loss related. So, I'm basically just going to come over to this category section right here and then I'm just going to look for weight loss right here. And once I find that, I'm going to click on apply. Now, what NutriProfits is basically showing me right here is showing me all the offers right here that actually help people to lose weight and burn fat. Now, you can decide to pick any single one of these products right here. All of them work really well. But the one I'm going to be picking for the purpose of this video is one I've promoted in the past and it is actually called Fast Burn Extreme. As you can see right here, it is a weight loss offer and it is actually going to pay out 40% commissions for every sale, which is about $472 per sale. Now, this is actually one of the highest paying affiliate offers on NutriProfits at the moment and actually converts really well because, like I said, I promoted it in the past before and I really love it. Now, the next thing I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to actually get your affiliate link for this product so you can start promoting this product right now, putting it in front of people who want to lose weight, so you can start actually making money doing so. Now, to actually get your affiliate link, you basically want to come over here to where it says details and you just want to click on that. And then, as you can see right here, it just gives you a brief overview of what this product is. So, it says, Fast Burn Extreme is an effective multi-component fast burner designed for athletes and physically active people of all ages. Its regular use effectively supports fat metabolism and stimulates its reduction. So basically, this product is a product that can help people lose weight and burn fat and it is really good. If you scroll down right here, you can see all the information we saw earlier. You can see 40% commissions and the average commission is $472. Now, if you look to the bottom right here, you can see a section where it says geo-targeted links. And if you come over here, you can see this link and this is basically your affiliate link. Now, this is my own affiliate link because once you sign up to NutriProfits, you're going to be getting your own unique affiliate link and that's a link that you're going to be promoting and making money with. So, like I said, this is my own and you to actually copy this affiliate link. I'm just going to come over here to where it says copy link and I'm basically just going to click on that. Then I'm going to put this link or save this link in a Word document or in a file where it will be very easy for me to remember and get access to this link when I want to start promoting it. Now, I'm using wordcount.com for the purpose of this video. But you can use whatever you want. You don't necessarily need to use wordcount.com if you don't want to. So, I'm basically just going to come over here and then I'm just going to paste my affiliate link right here. So, this is the link, like I said, to this product called Fast Burn Extreme, and we basically are going to be promoting this product because, like I said, it solves the problem and it is going to be very easy to sell. It is also going to pay us a lot of money in affiliate commissions, with an average commission being $472. Great! So now, once we've got an affiliate link, we've picked the product, how then are we going to actually find people who need this product? Right? People who want to lose weight, who want to burn fat. How are we going to find them so that we can actually put this product right in front of them and get them to buy and start making money for ourselves? Because the thing about affiliate marketing is, if you want to be successful with this, you have to make it a win-win for yourself and for the people you're promoting to. And that's why it is very, very important, like I always say, to promote products that solve problems for other people, because those products are basically going to help the people out and you're going to be getting the kickback and a commission while helping people as well. Now, let me show you exactly where you can go ahead and find people who want to lose weight and people who want to reduce their body fat, so that we can actually put this product right in front of them and get them to buy easily. Let me show you that right now. Now, when I do actually find this kind of people, they are actually located on a platform called reddit.com. And reddit.com is a platform that a lot of affiliate marketers actually sleep on because they do not know how to effectively monetize on Reddit. Now, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to find target people on Reddit and how to actually properly promote your affiliate links so your Reddit account doesn't get deleted or banned. Now, once you're on reddit.com, you want to go over here to the search bar right here. And then you basically just want to type in something related to the product that you are promoting. So, for example, I'll just be typing in reduce body fat right here. You can also type in reduce weight or weight loss or whatever it is. Just make sure that it is targeted or related in some way to the product that you're trying to promote and put in front of the right people. So, once I've typed in reduce body fat right here, I'm basically just going to click on enter right here. And as you can see right here, there are literally hundreds or even thousands of people asking questions like, what is the best way to lose body fat without losing so much muscle? How to reduce body fat percentage? Best ways to lose body fat percentage? So, there are literally people on Reddit right now who are looking for the best ways to lose body fat, which is something that this product that we are promoting can solve for them. I'm just going to be opening this post right here that says, how to reduce body fat percentage. And as you can see, this question was actually asked 7 months ago. Now, if I open that up, you can see that right here. If you look to the right, you can see that this particular post has about 8,300 members and 15,000 of them are actually online. So, that just basically means that if you actually post a comment and a relevant comment to this question right here, you can actually get thousands of people who are interested in this kind of content to see it or people who have this similar problem. And you can actually put your affiliate link in front of these people and tell them that there's a product that actually solves this problem that they can buy to solve this problem for themselves. Now, as you can see right here, it tells us that archive post. New comments cannot be posted and votes cannot be cast. So, it's basically telling us that we cannot answer this question anymore. So, I'm basically going to be looking for another post that we can answer just so I can show you exactly how to write and how to put your affiliate things in a smart way so you will not get banned from Reddit. Okay, guys, I found a post that we can actually use as an example. And this time, this particular Reddit has about 1.2 million members and 72 of them are actually online. So, this particular Reddit community has even more members and more people online than the previous one I showed you earlier. So, now when it says, add a comment right here, you basically just want to sit down and you want to actually write a constructive answer about how to reduce body fat. And you want to make this answer as long and as detailed as possible because that's going to increase the chances of people actually reading it. And most importantly, you want to make this answer as valuable as possible. Now, if you do not know any way to reduce body fat or you don't know anybody who has done that before, there are two things that you could basically do. The first one is that you could go over to Google. And you could Google different tips on how to lose body fat. And then you could basically just summarize it and put the answer in this comment box right here. Well, another thing you could do is that you could come over to a website called chatgpt.com. And at this point, I'm pretty sure everybody knows what ChatGPT is. And then you could basically just tell ChatGPT to write a very, very detailed answer for you about how to reduce body fat. Now, once you've gotten your answer from ChatGPT, you don't just basically want to just copy it and paste it in this box right here. You still want to do your due diligence and fine-tune it or maybe summarize it a bit so that it feels a bit more authentic. And once you've actually gotten your answer from either ChatGPT or the Google blog article, the last thing you want to put in your answer before you actually post it is that you want to leave some sort of call to action. Now, what a lot of people actually do and the mistake they actually make is that they now go over and they now go and copy the affiliate link and then they post that affiliate link in the answer that they wrote. Now, if you actually do this, Reddit can actually delete your comment or delete your answer, and your Reddit account might actually even get deleted if you keep on doing this consistently. Now, the reason why this happens is because Reddit does not really like affiliate links on their platform. And a lot of Redditors these days are even going to be turned off if they see an affiliate link in your post. Now, how exactly do you even promote affiliate links if Reddit doesn't want you promoting affiliate links on their platform? Well, that is where you have to be smart about it. Now, what you basically want to do is that you want to tell people that if they want to find out more about how to reduce body fat, they can simply shoot you an email. And you're going to be putting in your email address right there. Now, if you don't feel comfortable about putting your personal email address, what you can do is that you can create a brand new email address. And then tell people to shoot you an email to find out more about how to lose weight or how you've actually lost weight or lost body fat yourself. Now, once people actually send you that email, you can now go ahead and tell them about this affiliate product that can actually help them solve their problem. And then you can go ahead and further sell them to actually get this product, which is a product that can effectively help them lose fat and ultimately lose weight. So, like I said, you don't just want to post your affiliate link on this platform. You don't want to do that. That's not smart. You basically want to give them an opportunity to actually reach out to you personally so that you can further sell them on the product that can solve their problem. Now, I know this is not the passive income strategy because you actually have to put in the work, but I can 1000% assure you that this works. All you need to do is just to take out the time and put in the effort to actually see the results. Now, if you want to find out some more passive affiliate marketing strategies that can help you make literally thousands of dollars completely passively and in your sleep, then be sure to check out other videos on my channel. Be sure to click this next video showing on your screen right here. And I'll see you on that side.